Hello all, this video is in regards with the presentation of our project for the WITHACE Hackathon 2021. This project is a result of the effort of our team Tech Squad. The theme of this year's hackathon is She the Force, Hack for Sustainability with Tech Solutions. The problem statement that we have opted to solve is based on the fact that many of the water systems that keep ecosystems thriving and feed the growing human population have become stressed. By 2025, two-thirds of the world's population may face water shortages. Since the available fresh water for human consumption is less than 1%, there raises an urgent need to consume the water in the most efficient way. To consume the water in the most efficient way, we have devised and implemented a web application for water data collection, quality categorization and recommendation based on certain parameters using IoT, IBM Cloud and Watson API. This is the outlook of our solution implementation, which we will break down and discuss elaborately in the upcoming slides. The procedural flow of the IDEA implementation starts from tracking and recording water quality in real time based on several integrants. To test the caliber, an IoT device based on GSM system comprising of pH sensor, temperature sensor, turbidity sensor, single chip microcontroller, a data acquisition module and an information transmission module are used. The said device is designed so as to record and send the recorded data to be stored in the IBM Cloud and for further processing. IBM Watson Discovery is then fed the recorded data in the IBM Cloud by using Node.js. Its incorporated AI search technology helps in analyzing trends and relationships buried in the data, consequently providing with optimized information from the selection of original data. This information is retrieved and then updated in web page on a regular basis for the reference of users, along with visual indicators for various aspects of the water standard, enabling easy understanding of the jargon involved by the average users of the application. The web page is embedded with Google Maps API for the facilitation of the feature to view gathered data in any location of interest for the user in the maps. The website projecting useful stats on an everyday basis can also assist in forging a general notion on how well a water body in surrounding location is maintained. The system can be used for both domestic and commercial purposes, further highly benefiting water supply agencies. It is economically affordable as it is of low maintenance and would be the best gift to the human society by preventing waterborne diseases as it predicts and recommends quality water resources. This is our initiative to save the Earth's elixir as we believe small actions today will make big changes tomorrow. Thank you.